And welcome to the second day for rebuilding the Ford Mustang. So the second place we are checking now, guys, it will be the used market. So today's video was more exactly what I do in daily base, what exactly I search for it. But hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel, and welcome to the second day for rebuilding the Ford Mustang. My friend bought a new car, and this is our second project. After 460 we finish it. I was not too happy what exactly done to the car, but anyway, Samir was happy, so it's fine. So right now we're gonna focus on this car, the Ford Mustang 2019. I was misunderstanding. I thought the car is 2018, but no, this car is actually 2019 Ford Mustang 8-cylinder 5.0. For those people who already watched the last video, guys, the accident is kind of too small. There's no any airbag damage, no frame, nothing else. So at the moment already they started rebuilding the car from yesterday. This was the only impact. As you can see, this place they already fixed it. They do the leveling. I can see it's still hot, I'm not sure why. As you can see, they fixed most of the places. At the moment when he told me, he said the items we need to put in the car, of course, do the leveling. So the main item we need for this car at the moment will be the door, the fender and the bonnet. And everything from inside is correct. They open it to work properly. Here we go, the seat we have already. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go on the market, search for the spare parts. I'm just talking a little bit faster because the garage told me bring it as soon as possible. The door, the fender, this is the two items very important to do the leveling. And I just noticed that we are missing the support complete. I just thought maybe we need the bonnet, that's all, but no, we need the bonnet from the front of the car. We need complete support, but we have already the headlight. Take the VIN number for the car. We're gonna go to some places. We're gonna check out the aftermarket. We're gonna check the genuine part. We're gonna check the used market. So let's go. We are out of the time. Woo. So right now we came in a place. So this is our first place to check. We'll see what exactly part this place have. This is the actually place. I'm a little bit confused because my friend told me they have used parts, they have aftermarket, they have as well genuine part. Let's see inside and let's give them the quotation. Let's see what exactly they have and which kind of parts they have. They have used, they have aftermarket, or they have the genuine part. Let's go. So I visited the first shop. Unfortunately they don't have anything. The only item they had the fender, and that was also aftermarket. So we'll check, there's other place nearby, we're going to check that as well. Let's see what we can find in here. Okay, and the second shop also we check, guys. Unfortunately the first one also everything is aftermarket, the second one as well. So the second place we are checking now, guys, it will be the used market. So probably all the used market will be on the industrial number 6 or industrial number 12. There's a place my friend knows, especially who are only for the Ford Mustang. So right now I'm gonna go to industrial number 6. We're gonna search a little bit, and after that, if you couldn't find anything, we're gonna go to the industrial number 12. So yeah, stay tuned. So let's go continue the video. So right now, as you can see, Samir's not with me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go to my place, and this is number 6. The thing is, the summer start, and if you're following my videos, guys, my car, this one, the Toyota Yaris, the air condition doesn't work. We have damage for the compressor, guys. So right now, before Samir will come, guys, we're gonna go and search for the AC compressor for this Toyota Yaris. If I find it, I'll go and change as soon as possible, guys. This is the plan for right now. I'm going to go to industrial number 6, search for the AC compressor till my friend come in. After that, we're gonna go, both of us, we're gonna go search for the Ford Mustang used part. Yeah, so this is the plan. Let's go search for the AC compressor for this Toyota Yaris. So this is the place, this is the industrial number 6. Most of the shops who sell all of used parts are located in here. As you can see, your right side, your left side, everywhere is this. And this is actually a good system because most of the shops, they already put all the signboard what exactly cars item they have. So I couldn't find anything from that side. Most of them was Lexus, and the side as well are the same. We have Lexus, we have Toyota Siennas. We are searching for them, what do you call, Toyota Yaris. I just find a place, I can see they have Toyota Yaris. I said this is a new shop as well because I can see most of the shelves are like empty. So probably this will be a very new place. So let's go. We're gonna have a look and see if they have the AC compressor for this car or not. So this is the shop. I can see a Toyota Yaris, the silver one, and that's the I'm not sure is that also a Yaris or something else. So it's a good place. They have too many Toyota Yaris. So let me see where's the owner to ask the parts. I'm gonna check the compressor. Actually, we can call this aftermarket as well. We can call it original as well. And yeah, the funny thing is, Samir, please open your door. Let's go. I want to show the people how you're opening his door, Samir. So the handle is broken. The way you open, you have to grab the glass and put his hand. That's more funny. Under the steering wheel to open it. Samir, you're absolutely crazy. So off the AC, I'll take my phone. I took it. Yeah, let's go. No, I don't take my phone. Where's my phone? Yeah, it's here. So we're gonna check this place first? Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Assalamu alaikum. So this is the first place. Lots of like parts all related to the ACs, yeah, Samir?
Yeah, for this.
We have fans, we have those pipes, we have those what do you call, under the dashboard fan, condenser, radiator, not radiator.
Even if you have classic car,
So you can like install the AC. This is the total device with everything.
did by the Beetle.
Beetle, I forgot. Yeah, Samir own a Beetle. I can say more than like 1 year. He told me to come and record some videos, but I don't have the time. And the Beetle is not using as well. Somebody's calling me.
He said 1,000 with the
Yeah.
text. 1,000 with text.
This is, yeah, my car have this extra wire.
This extra, this
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can remove.
I can remove it?
Yes, this you can remove. Only this whole remove. Full set can.
So this is from like which company?
Denso.
Show me the.
He has China even, he said.
And how much this and how much for the China?
1,000.
China comes, China.
China 400.
400?
And this is 1,000?
Other 1,000.
So the reason why I came here to check the exhaust, just my friend sent me a picture for the 460 exhaust. So this is the exhaust for the 460. Is it large or short? Short. Oh, my car is large, unfortunately. This is for the short. This is the one, yeah?
Make it large.
Can we make it larger?
Yeah.
So the reason we came here to check that exhaust, actually that's belongs to the short car, so it will be a little bit smaller. So we're gonna figure out how we can put in my car if the price is good. So right now, let's go. I'll buy the compressor from this place. This is the place I'm in. So this is the place. Actually, they have lots of compressor, lot of starters, like all of those mechanic parts they have in here. So he told me there's lot of AC compressor, but I have to bring the car to check, to double check if everything is same or not. And the price was too cheap as well. He told me 150, and I'm a little bit confused if those things are real, they didn't repair it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring the car and check back in here if almost the same compressor. So I'll try my best. I'll try my luck to buy one of them from here and let's fit to my car. Hope everything's works. So right now I'm gonna go and bring the car here. So I just came here to show him the car, and he told me, yeah, the compressor, the AC compressor he have in the shop, it's totally different. So he gave me another location. It's not too far, that side of the road. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and U-turn, find anywhere parking, then you have to go by walk and search all of those small shops. Yeah, let's go. So we just parked the car here, and yeah, let's go to search for the AC compressor. So the guy who gave me location, he told me under this building there are many shops. You have to check each by one because most of them are doing the same job, the AC compressor. So I have a little bit details. I know the size and all the other stuff for the AC compressor. So we're gonna try asking all of those shops. If I find something, I'm gonna record it. Yeah, let's go. So right now I came to other place. Somebody just sent me a location. They said this place may have the compressor. And the other thing is I came here to also search for other parts for the Lexus. Somebody told me you can find the Lexus part as well. So I'm going to do both of them. First of all, let's go. I can find the other place who have the Lexus parts. Then we're going to see if I can find the compressor as well or no. I think this is the place. Somebody called me. They said they have Lexus front bumper and some other stuff. So first of all, let me check this place Let me see what they have in here. And actually the place is kind of cool because all the places not belong to one guy. So as you can see, they make it parts, and all of them, I mean each of them belong to somebody else. So in this case, no one gets so much pressure to pay the rent and this kind of stuff. So this is the plan right now. Let me check the front bumpers. We'll see how's the condition, and let me see how much the price, and let me see how much the owner asked for those. So after checking all the parts, what exactly they have in here, there's two parts I'm really interested. The first one will be this one, the LS500 2019 front bumper, but actually it's empty, nothing is there. And the second will be this one, the GS Turbo 200, again 2019. Basically it starts from 2016, 17, 18, 19, but people always love to give it the highest year. So in this case also everything is good, nothing I can say bad to it, but this is really bad news because absolutely empty. There's no any front grille, no brackets, nothing is there. And about the LS500, the only problem I just saw it is this part. Actually I don't know what the reason, but they cut this much of area. This is no any for a place or something, like there's no any reason this have to be a hold, but there is hold on this one. So really bad news. So I'm gonna call my friend if we can fix this part or not. Anyway, this is the two pumper. Let me see if I can buy it from this place or no. Yeah, let me see if I can buy anything from this place, yes or no. So I was going on the way back from the place, guys. He called me back, and yeah, thumbs up, guys. We finally bought all the parts. This is the IS, and we have the GS as well, and of course my favorite car, the LS500, and there was some other parts as well, LEDs and headlight we bought also from here. So a special thank to my friend who let us to give us all the parts in a good price. Thank you so much. And he follow me my YouTube channel, guys. Anyway, so after like 10 minutes, guys, we fit all of those bumpers. How many? 6, 7 front bumpers we fitted in the small Yaris, and then of course this is the front fender. So thumbs up. So happy with this shopping. Yeah, let's go. Thanks so much as well. So right now we unload all the parts, and Shuja, what do you think? The parts are good?
Yeah, good.
Good? Okay. So this is the first I'm gonna say, okay, so we're gonna see what exactly we got. The first front bumper will be the IS normal one, not F. Again we have the IS, again normal one. We have the silver color. This is actually the F. This is the difference between the F and normal, how it looks. And we have the LS460 2013 till 2015, and we have the GS, and the best thing is this, the LS500. So this is end of this video. Thank you so much if you guys make it till today. And so today video was more exactly what I do in daily base, what exactly I search for it. But today was a little bit lucky, guys. We are searching for the AC compressor and we find all of those parts. So for tomorrow, guys, I'm going to focus more on the Ford Mustang, my friend, the black one. Hopes we'll finish it as soon as possible because we find all the parts aftermarket, so it will be easy to them. So it will be really easy for them to do the denting. Doesn't need a lot of work. The only things they need to fit it up and do the leveling, and that's all. See you for the next video. Like always, peace.